I'll show you what I got at the church food bank today. The mobile food bank has been having so many people in line that the amount we're getting is so small, and I had to resort to going to the church, which I don't like doing, but if I'm going to eat, I gotta do something. I got Osery snacking rounds, fruit and grain snack buns. They're kind of like a soft cookie, I think. Never had them before, but I'm going to try them. And I think they're frozen. Got flatbread, flat out folded, 110 calories. Okay, and they are frozen. Have been frozen. Got 2 packs. Got apples, green apples. Oh yes, I'm gonna can those, I guess, or make a pie. I'm not sure which. I got a bag of potatoes, russet potatoes. Oh yes, those look good. Okay. Okay, I got a loaf of gluten-free white bread. I usually make my own, but I'll find a use for this one. 2 pizzas, frozen pizzas, which are thawing out rapidly. So I'll have to put them in the freezer right away. I got cereal, Tostios, same as what comes from the food bank. I mean, senior commodities. And I actually got 2 of those. Two stacks of crackers. Oh yes, walnuts. Oh yeah. I'm happy to get those. I'll put those in the freezer too. Fruit and nut mix. Oh. Ooh, it looks like it's got apples in it. Dried fruit and nuts can be enjoyed many ways. Okay. It's got walnuts, raisins, apples, cranberries, and sugar. Okay, I'm going to enjoy that too. Got Great Northern beans. I'm getting ready to can some beans too. A can of pork. That's good with barbecue sauce. Macaroni and cheese. A Jif to go. Alright. And little snack boxes of raisins. Chili no beans. I don't know anybody who likes that. I don't particularly care for it. But I'll probably end up eating it anyway. Got a milk to go with the cereal. Peanut butter. Two tomato soup. Actually 3 tomato soup. Peaches. Oh yes, I love my peaches too. Tomato sauce. Got that high fructose corn syrup in it. I can't eat it. Pinto beans. Potatoes. Another potatoes. Corn. I like corn too. Mixed fruit, I really like that. Make a mixed fruit cobbler. Two this time. Yes. Let's see, where am I going to put this? Let's see here. I don't know how to say that. Nan or non rounds. It's a flatbread kind of thing. I like that too. Cinnamon raisin bread. I don't know. Maybe I'll eat that. Make some toast out of it. Ooh, another dried fruit and nut mix. Ooh, I got lucky. More beans. And it's grapefruit juice, not grapefruit, grape juice. And I got a pack of chicken that's leaking on everything. Ew, I'll have to wash it all off. Got ham and cheese sandwiches, 2 of them that are frozen. Don't look like this juice has got on it. Another one of them soft cookie type things. Frozen eggs. Ooh, got lucky again. More shelled walnuts. You better wipe that off. Roasted turkey breast, sliced. It looks like 5 pounds worth. Oh, wow. And chicken drumsticks are leaking all over the place. Got more butter. And it's not been touched by the chicken. I have to clean all this. Oh. I don't know why they gave me one that's all leaking. Let me see if I can get something to carry that into the kitchen. Chicken drumsticks. Oops. This, dang, I'm making a mess. I'm really going to have to clean that up. Price tag says $2.86. Okay. Let me get this in the kitchen and wipe it off. That's what I got from the food bank, the church food bank. And I will have to put all this stuff in the freezer real quick because it's thawing out quick. I don't know why, because today is a cold day. Anyway.